take out the fake box. You know, if you know about me, you know about the fake box. Okay, let's go. I don't know what this. Let's see what this thing says. Paper's a bit different. Okay. Good. So, you know what the Sacai is? I believe it's like, I don't know where it's from. I think it's Japan. I'm not too sure, but they're a brand, and they just mashed together two of the shoes. So you got here, I think it's the Vaporfly and the 83 Pegasus. This shoe is long, like literally. That's the shoe of my art. That shoe is long. It's a big shoe. They literally give you 2 sets of laces, but there's 2 laces in here already. I don't understand. First of all, you got the mesh. You can see the thing. You can see through the mesh. So I don't know how that's gonna work. It might be a bit cold on feet. You really got so you got the mesh here. You got the mesh material. Obviously, you got the design of the 83 Pegasus. See here, you got the 2 swooshes. Oh wait, yeah, you can see the swoosh. It's like painted on. It's just like a really weird shoe. It's like painted on, not on the other side. But you have the first swoosh. I remember when I first saw some nigga wearing these shoes, like just outside, and I was like, bro, I was walking, I was like, this nigga is looking crazy. This shit look hard. I'm seeing this shit now. This shit is long, bro. This shit is really long. I've been hitting on the sneakers app recently. I just copped the Medicom Blazers. I'm gonna make a video on that. I'm gonna make a video on. I think Blazers are gonna be the newest thing. You know, obviously, if you know anything about 2020 sneakers, you know that Dunk's been running the whole shit. I feel like 2021, 2022, Blazers are gonna be the one thing that's gonna blow up. I'm gonna make a video on that. Blazers are definitely gonna be the big thing, the next big thing. But yeah, so this is, how the hell I put this in? Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate every single one of you watching. My last 2 videos got 30 views, which I'm so happy about. Please hit the like button. You don't even have to subscribe. You know what I mean? I'm not asking to. I'm a new channel. I've been there. You don't want to subscribe to them niggas. You don't know what they're doing. Do you know what I mean? Just hit the like button for me. Leave a comment if you can. Do you know what I mean? Help me out. I've been trying to grow this channel, and I'll continue to grow. Do you know what I mean? And it's big things from here on out. So thank you for watching. Goodbye, and please come again.